Dabur Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by अमूल में दिव्य सज्जनों अब वक्त है Women 76 यानी 76 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। मुंबई महारथी की ओर से आ रही हैं हंगरी मूल की ज़ेनेत नेमेत। ये क्यों नहीं है यहाँ से नीचे से है ये क्यों? Dabur Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League सीजन 4 को-पावर्ड बाय अमूल में महिलाओं के 76 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले के लिए हरियाणा हैमर्स की ओर से आ रही हैं भारतीय मूल की कुमारी किरण। Ladies and gentlemen, Zeneth Nemet on your screens. She's 24 years old from Hungary. And of course, she has the opposition, and that's Kumari Kiran from Haryana Hammers. Kiran is a little less of an experienced girl. And then we have to see that is she going to get that conversion on. But then she's 27 years old. She's 2018 Commonwealth Games bronze medal winner. So how can we take her lightly?
Exactly, Joe. Here you would see Zeneth Nemet coming in with one loss on her birthday, if you remember, where she was profusely crying.
She took it very emotionally.
Yes. And she could never forget that. In fact, she's coming into this game with that loss and with a lot of determination to defeat Kiran. Kiran, again, as we said, is a bronze medalist in the Commonwealth Games.
Yeah, the action is underway, and Nemet is already on the attack, and yes, she has gone for the first kill. Ladies and gentlemen, right now we can see that Nemet has done it for her team and taken that advantage of that first attack. That first blood psychologically can actually be very effective. Now we have to see that if Mumbai Maharathi wins it, it's going to be another equalizer. So it gets back to their next bout. This is the brilliance that over the past few days we've seen, except for yesterday, the first 3 bouts and the second 3 bouts, then the equalizer. Oh, what a brilliant thing. That is Kiran for you, ladies and gentlemen.
This is her double leg attack, and look at, she's trying to go in for a gator roll. Oh, wow. This is the new Kiran we are seeing.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, she's trying the double leg attack into a gator roll. Is she going to be successful? Because she has done it. Now it's 2 points each on the scoreboard right now. So it is still anybody's bout.
Zeneth looks in trouble. If you could see, look at Kiran. She took her by surprise. And Zeneth again is down on her knees. And then the great incomplete gator roll.
No, because Zeneth is a little stronger and a little longer, I think she spread her arms wide enough, and so that gator roll could not have been undertaken. One more time. Zeneth is actually trying to attack and recover from that attack that was done on her. And Kiran actually is the one who is the underdog for everybody.
Yes. But again, Zeneth is very clear. Her strategy is very clear in this match. She's not going to lose any second, and she's going to go in for all continuous attack.
As you just saw, Sunil.
That's Moolchand Sherawat, the co-owner of Mumbai Maharathi. Maybe he's the lucky mascot for them tonight.
Well, it's let the best wrestler win.
Yes, ultimately, it's the wrestlers who go out and win for their teams.
Yes, of course. And Zeneth right now finding, and Kiran is getting all the support that she can. The crowd cheering and rooting for Kiran of Haryana Hammers. If she can relate that energy into her win, it's going to be very brilliant. On the mat right now, they're still standing. There has not been any attack that's been exchanged over the past 20 seconds. And right now we have...
Oh, wow!
What a brilliant move! This is what we call surge of brilliance. And that got her an advantage. Wow!
Before this bout started, Joe, we never could imagine the scoreline to be in the favor of Kiran right now. Look at her. She's trying to throw Zenith out, and Nemeth, she pushes her out of that circle and gathers 2 points. Amazing. 2 seconds, and Kiran has got this round and the respect.
This is an anticlimax. Ladies and gentlemen, Mumbai Maharathi in trouble because Sanath Mehmet traditionally has been a stronger player.
Again, it starts from the offensive. Kiran trying to get Nemeth out of the play.
This is a good strategy, but then attack could not have been converted. That's a disappointing thing. There was an effort that was made by Kiran. Now Kiran has come up with a good plan. Attack is the best defense.
Yes, and certainly for someone as senior as Zenith Nemeth, who's competed at the world level and at the Olympics, you would see those Olympic rings on her.
But then again, Kiran is no less, because she doesn't have a complicated name doesn't mean that she hasn't seen the world.
Yes, very well put it, Joe. But again, Kiran isn't, yeah, you're right. She's an uncomplicated player as well. All she knows is to go out and attack, and that's what she's doing.
And that's what we saw. And of course, that surge of brilliance got her an advantage in the first round. But right now, the scores are level, 4 each. Ladies and gentlemen, it could be anybody's game from here onwards.
Next 2 minutes are going to be very exciting. I think we're going to see attack every 30 seconds from emerging from either of the blanks. Let's see how it shapes up. Zenith holding tight as she's got an advantage of making a comeback. Again, Kiran trying to make that attack.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as far as my experience goes, I think right now it is the first attack advantage, and then it would be held close to yourself, so that whatever points you make is going to be held with you. So first you go attack and then defend it rather than let any other person attack. So this is the kind of a strategy that I'm looking at. And both the wrestlers right now looking at the first blood.
At 4 each.
And that was a brilliant move by Kiran. She went in for that attack, but then Zenith was very much present there, watching that attack happen.
Well, it's an attack and a defense kind of a game where both teams are trying to, oh, look at that, trying to trip Kiran out of the game, but Kiran was smart enough to take her left feet away. Another 1 minute. It's going to be anybody's game, Joe.
And right now you see a little bit of frustration that is seen in Kiran's face. She just wanted to go in and do that, but obviously she's not able to find the right strategy for that takedown. That initial takedown starts and triggers off everything. And there you have it.
Yes.
Kiran has attacked, but is it possible? But no. That was a brilliant attack. And that attack could not have been initiated into a follow-up of that. And that is where, there you have it. That was an attack, but that had the opportunity for Zenith to actually turn around and go back and have the point of advantage. And that is a position which scores you at least 2 points.
Zenith is a wily customer. She knows when to anticipate an attack and head back. And she was waiting for a counter-attack, and she got it well. Kiran going again for the kill. Let's see what happens. The crowd roaring for Kiran and Joe.
Well, right now you can see crowd going livid. These were the last 20 seconds where that last attack was initiated, but then again a few seconds were spent, and those were wasted. And for Kiran, one more time, going all out. Is she going to be able to do that? Is it?
Again.
One of the fiercest fought bouts. So many attacks which we could see getting right in your face. But then again, I think this was a brilliant effort by Kiran. I would give this credit to Kiran. Regardless, it was Sanath Mehmet from Mumbai Maharathi who won.